Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing one of my favorite Chevrolet Impalas. This car, 1960. She's long, she's red, and boy, she's stunning. So we'll take a couple moments here to preview this car, so that way you can see exactly what she has to offer, whether this is the dream car that you've been hunting for your collection. Automatic, V8, got power steering and power disc brakes, larger aftermarket wheels, and she is finished to the nines. So every nut and bolt has been removed, reassembled on this car, been lightly driven and enjoyed, and now we're thankful to be able to offer it here to you. This is a frame-off restored car. This is not a backyard job. .275, 35, 20s in the back. Smaller diameter in the front. This is one you can almost fit as many passengers in the trunk as you can the front. Stainless and bright work on this car is just phenomenal. Car's had Dynamat installed pretty much every place to keep the noise down. Well, I can look at this car all day long. Spare tire and jack. Appears to me all original body panels. I don't find any evidence of any repairs. We'll have it up in the air here in just a minute. Trying to show all the angles just so that way you can see the condition of this body. This is a hard top, no posts. Nothing to hide. What a beautiful car.
a chequear si es algo que se lo pueden poner en el préstamo. Si no, pues lo tendría que pagar todo.
Wish I had that sunscreen this weekend. This car come to us out of North Carolina. See the custom auto sound here. Radio. That's what I have in my personal cars. Pollen season here in South Carolina. Boy, we've been fighting it for this video. It's already dusty. See the Brock intake, 4-barrel carburetor, Corvette valve covers, upgraded power disc brakes, power steering. Driven this car last couple days, that's exactly how she starts. Has been starting each morning. We get a sound here. Paint is highly polished. There's no orange peel. I mean, it's really finished to a high level. It's showing 45,500 miles. It's at 145 her nose. So here's what we're going to do. Shut her up. He's gonna drive and I'm gonna videotape. I like to do these videos as one-shot deals, so that way you know. What's going on here. Got a smaller diameter steering wheel, which makes it nice for the power steering. It's our main dealership where I've been now 19 years, making these videos of classic cars for our customers. And what a joy, what a pleasure. We'll make a right, we'll get up to speed. Man, no traffic this morning. Three-speed, automatic. That's 50 miles an hour there. And you can see how easy it tracks down the road. the clock works. Everything else works. Temperature gauge, fuel gauge showing about 1/4 tank now. So go up here, make a right-hand turn. See there, functions. Run through the gears just one more time. There we are, 1960 Chevrolet Impala. Here at AutoWorld of Conway, I beg you to find a nicer car for the value. So here at AutoWorld, good cars for good people.